Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. So for the past few days, we have seen gold not moving anywhere. It is still trading in ranges. Let us analyze and see what could be the direction of the movement for the coming week. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame and will be sharing you the support and resistance levels. Please use these levels as a reference for deciding on your entry and exits on your trade. Let us start with our analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, we already know that previously the price action was in a very strong bullish trend and it took resistance at the level of 2070 and started its retracement. It fell up to the level of 1896 and then it bounced back on the bullish side. So currently when we notice the price action, it is still trading above the previous low. And when we notice the chart formation, I had already highlighted in my past price action analysis also, it went up to this resistance level of 1973, then it retraced up to the support level of 1878, then it went up to the highest level of 2070 and it retraced to the level of 1893 and currently it is on a bullish trend. I am expecting it to retrace up to the resistance level of 1975. Because when we look at the candlesticks chart formation, we can notice that it is trying to form a head and shoulder pattern. This can be assumed at the left side shoulder and this is going to be the right hand shoulder, and currently the price action is in a process of completing its right hand shoulder. Once it breaks this support level of 1876, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. So this level of support is playing a very important role for the price action trend reversal. And when we look at the past price action, from here it started its bearish trend reversal, then tested this resistance level of 1914, again it retraced up to the previous low of 1709, then it started its bullish trend and more or less retraced up to the previous high. And when we see the chart formation, it has completed this double bottom chart formation, which means a trend reversal. So it has given a bearish trend reversal. So this level of 1909 plays a very important role for the bearish trend reversal. Once the current price action breaks the support level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. And also we have also analyzed that current price action is forming a head and shoulder pattern. So once it breaks this neck level, we can expect a further fall and to complete the head and shoulder pattern. So we are getting confirmation from the double bottom pattern and also confirmation from the head and shoulder pattern for the bearish trend to start. But currently the price action is still trading on a bullish trend due to the war tension between Ukraine and Russia. Once this situation is under control, we can expect a bearish trend reversal to start. As long as the Ukraine-Russia war tension continues, we can expect the price action to go on a bullish side or to trade on a sideways for now. So these are all the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. The current resistance is around 1976, and when we draw the trend line and check the current trend of the market, it was on a very nice bullish trend. Again it broke this bullish trend. Again I am drawing one more trend line. It has again gone on a bullish trend. So wait for the price action to break this support line, then you can take trades on the bearish side. For now the price action is in a bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame also, previously the price action had formed a head and shoulder pattern and retraced to the level where it started its bullish trend. Currently the trend reversal on the bullish side has started in hourly time frame, but again it has to break this neck level in order to continue its bullish trend. So this level of 1974 will be playing a major role in deciding the bullish trend reversal. Still, the current price action is trading on a bullish trend but on a sideways. It has lost momentum on the bullish side and it has lost momentum on the bearish side. So you can draw trend lines like this to understand the current price action. So the current price action has taken support on this trend line and bounced back on the bullish trend. As long as the price action is trading above this support line, you can go on a bullish side trades. Again, we have the higher time frame resistance level. Only when it breaks this resistance level, we can expect a further continuation on the bullish trend. Let us draw the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend. I am expecting the price action to take resistance on the level of 1974 and to bounce back on the bearish side. Again, we have the strong support from the higher time frame over here. Only when it breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall on this currency pair. We also have the daily time frame trend line or the support line running over here. It has to break this trend line in order to continue its bearish trend also. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. Here we have the daily time frame support line and here we have the 30 minutes time frame trend line or the support line. Previously the price action was in a very nice bearish trend, breaking this trend line or the support levels and took support on the daily time frame support line and bounced back on the bullish trend. When we notice the price action, it is again trading above the support line from the 30 minutes time frame and it is in a bullish trend. And when we notice on the higher side, I have drawn the resistance line also. You can notice that the range is becoming narrower and narrower. Soon we can expect the price action to consolidate around this resistance level of 1975, and if the bullish trend weakens, we can expect a bearish trend reversal to happen. Otherwise, if the bullish trend is still stronger, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. But again, we have the next level of resistance around 2007, which is from the higher time frame. And as long as the Ukraine-Russia war tension is not resolved, we cannot expect the bearish trend reversal in gold. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in bullish trend, but again it is trading on a sideways. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it was on a very strong bullish trend, took resistance at the 30 minutes time frame resistance line, the black color line. I have drawn a one resistance line for 5 minutes time frame. You can notice that current price action is in a retracement or bearish trend. So we can expect the price action to retest on this trend line or the resistance line, bounce back, and if the bullish trend is still stronger, we can expect it to break this resistance line and to start its bullish trend. And if the bearish trend is stronger, we can expect a further fall by breaking this support line from the 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 5 minutes time frame is consolidating. Wait for it to give breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side to go on a directional trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame, and these values are only for reference to decide on your entry and exit. Please make your own analysis before entering into the trade. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.